my wheel rolled over. No brake, no brake. Do you feel like you tore up anything when you slid through the dirt there?
Yeah, when I got sideways, I threw the brain out the window, and I don't know where it is. Hopefully I never find it again.
10-4, they got the cleanup truck out there looking for it, so we're all good.
This is the biggest bucket of
Jesus criminy. Oh, man. We're just in big trouble. We're sideways again, guys. I don't know. You did. Don't clean up motor parts on the front stretch.
David is finally getting a look at Goliath here.
He just turns it from the top to the bottom, no problem. You can't cut down when somebody's underneath you.
He just got loose. 23 didn't check up.
I've had enough of that in this deck. Tony, see if he can hear us.
He lost his mic. He was complaining about.
I can hear just fine. Nothing to talk about.
Okay.
So Larson is really backing his entry up now. Totally different technique now.
If I had that car, I could do anything too.
Just a few drops up here, very light. Nothing on the radar.
Pretty bad. Raining. Raining in turn one. The hell are we doing?
Yeah, good old PA sun shower. Just you on the 24, 11 in line with you. Big push. Danny's gonna push the 5 to you. 11 pushing the 5 at you.
See Lambert?
Yes.
Give him a double bird since I can't give it to the driver since he can't see me.
All right. We pushed him the lap before. I don't know what he's pissed about.
All right, guys, I got real freaking tight.
We're not done yet. Stay in it.
Larson's in trouble. Up into the outside wall.
Something happened. We blew right front. We just blew right front. Told you. I told you.
Guess I can't do a burnout.
You can go get the flag. Apologize to us again right now. Give me another sorry.
If he cuts me off one more time, I mean, I'm sending him.
Brandon, his spotter, come to me. They got somebody down there, so it's not from his normal guy up here.
I can't get it into first.
Kidding.
Hey, look, it moved. Good start.
The 99 broke a train there, so just be mindful on your shifts.
Yeah, they've had some weird stuff going on this year on the road courses, so I'm not worried.
They don't stop on the get my ass kicked. In for the long run here. Oh, it's killed. Cramp on my shaft. I'm going to push the brake pedal so hard.
Good looking hot rod. Not as good as you look walking away.
Working on it. I ate a salad and everything today. That was interesting.
Wow. Took the longer line and right behind the 15.
I'm bored. Trying to make things interesting.
Interesting they are. Always with you. There's a big old chunk of racetrack, miss.
The size of a shoebox.
Somebody was out there with a chisel and a hammer last night.
Could be really gone here after this race.
I can hear it now. See, folks, now this is why we're going to repave this place.
Oh yeah, you're probably exactly right.
Our adjustments are just so random that you can't figure out how to drive the car. I mean, the thing's all over the place.
Doing a good job getting through traffic.
There's showtime. Piece of aerodynamic race car. Piece of front end.
It's probably not a big secret, but they got some pretty bad weepers down here in the 1 and 2. They've been working on cutting and grinding.
Oh my, they ain't gonna get that fixed anytime soon.
It's raining.
There's wet down there.
Caution car. It's a sprinkle tower, white sprinkle.
Wet, yo.
Trouble into the outside wall.
Put it out, put it out.
Top 2 all wrecked.
The track was getting wet. Damn it. Hey, it's raining out, guys. 3 liters all just wrecked. That Kyle is dead.
It's, yeah. 18's hitting the pace car up there.
Hitting it? I mean, if he wants to come down, it'll be every lap like that. I mean, does he not know I'm there?
I pointed him inside.
I mean, I couldn't get turned.
No, he sees retirement in the future. He's got to dump everybody else so he doesn't suck.
Well, I'm officially cold, like freezing. It's chilly in here.
Probably something. Either too hot, too cold.
Wah, wah, wah.
What the hell was it 9? He just dove way down in there. If I didn't give him a lane, he was going to just destroy us.
They're just not used to getting past, but they might as well get used to it.
Got the wheel coming off?
The left front had a lug nut jump behind the wheel.
Unbelievable.
He is on the lead laps. He's going to race us hard, I bet. Killing us. Find a way around this clown.
Just you in the 6.
About to get in.
Copy that.
Oh, the guy's spotting for the 8 up shipping. Done it 2 weeks in a row.
Joey Logano not playing nice.
Pump these blockers off the racetrack.
There's a ton of stuff over there at 6. Just FYI. Copy that.
William Byron sliding to the grass.
Tell him to keep going. Keep going if we can.
Hold the brake. Got more slide to you, man. Brace yourself a little bit. Brace yourself. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. We're done. everybody correct. Good stuff.
Man, I'm telling you, there's some wrecked race cars right there. Damn.
They just showed the curb peeled way up right there.
The curve came apart and everybody hit it.
Hang on to it, hang on to it.
Caution on the racetrack. We got a huge wreck.
Oh, we just got turned.
Just got the acids, whoever hit me from behind knocked me into that launch curb.
Kevin, watch this replay. Watch what the 23 does.
Good job saving the race car there.
Catter, the front tires all day. Jana Blues.
Pretty good chance we got a hole in the right front.
Damn it.
I mean, awful.
No rear grip, won't turn on the center. Terrible.
Trouble right at the start-finish line.
Oh man, I didn't want to do that. Damn it.
What happened?
What the heck happened there? 2 hooked to 3.
Something all right. That was a big hit.
Oh, wow. My bad, guys.
You alright, buddy?
Yes, I am.
And tell him I'm sorry. I had no intent to do that, man. I didn't think he was coming back up.
Him on purpose. I'm an old man, but I can kick his ass.
How's the 11 have that much better grip than my tires?
Like I'm dragging the ass around.
Push the dumbass out front, give him the win. You're welcome.
We're in it together.
Sounds like a high school musical song, somewhat. Not even gonna lie to you.
I mean, I could sing you a little ditty by Jack and Diane if you want.
Dave's trying to wreck. He's what he calls that gun shop right there.
Got to get the 7 out of here. Clueless. Maybe 8. I don't want to race around him either.
Oh, and now Martin Truex gets turned mid-pack.
Oh, that hurt. Turn, sorry. We're turned here. We're in it.
Wrecking in front here. Come down tight to the bottom.
19 got turned.
11 just kept hitting me there. Couldn't get off the 19.
Well, this away from nothing, man.
All right, we're not out of this thing.
Tyler, stop. You have to stop. I'm just trying not to get ourselves kicked out here.
Take the bottom.
That 17 is a weapon. He's going to wreck to try to win. Yeah, 10-4 is a terrible blocker, too.
You should have turned that 4 to go here. Coming to you. Watch your mirror. Don't let him go mid. Don't let him go mid. We're going to be wrecked.
Hold the brake.
The pack blows apart off of turn 4.
I got turned.
Just a little bit up. Hell yeah. Woo! Great job, man.
I don't know how the we made it through that. Holy. Just driver talent. I closed my eyes.
He double moved. It's on him.
Yeah, that was his fault.
For sure.
Sorry, man.
Glad to do you ain't ever done before right here.
I ran him down 5 times. Can I get a break? He can't take off before I can. Jump in the start.
Haven't lost his momentum. But the car was so busy watching me on the start, he forgot to go.
3 got him. Yellow's out. Slap the right rear. Heavy. Right side.
Kyle Busch will nail the outside wall.
Go to the garage. Done.
Kind of like I got something stuck in my eye and I just need solution to get it out. Going so fast, can't see where I'm at anymore.
Well, your hauling ass will not be able to see. I'll take that.
Brakes are incredibly soft. I got a loose wheel. Going to you. These flappers are in my way. Brake line exploded again.
Are the flat tires?
It's dragging the out of it.
Being too fast on pit road.
You gotta be me. We were gonna be the leader, weren't we?
Yes, correct.
I'm sorry.
Larson's gonna send it. Larson's on Hamlin's back bumper.
Hey, don't give him the right wheel. Keep coming. Hell of an effort, man.
I tried to video game it.
Yeah, 6-4. Post for 19 for start violation.
I let him go first.
They don't care. We got to go.
The 18 will also be under penalty for equipment interference.
That exists? It exists, for sure.
All year long. Stuck on pit road.
We cut a left rear somehow.
Tough break for Kurt Busch. One of the tire carcasses came off of the race car, and Bubba Wallace hit that.
We just hit the fire. They just go to the back every week and drive right through everybody like it's easy.
I'm in deep here. Loose in, no drive off.
Like I have no rear quarter pound compared to these guys.
Whatever you did made it from really, really bad to really, really, really bad.
Nice and patient.
Don't help me nice and patient. Just let me drive.
You cleared the 18, and they got it busted for speed.
What?
They got the 18 for speed. You're all good here, man.
I had a heart attack. These tires are horrible.
So far, this is the best Bristol car I think I've ever had.
The front will not turn through the banking. We're not any better. All right, pal. Well, like a cap, we got 9 lives. We back in this thing. Does that every week, tries to run into you and get a flat tire. You know.
Hey, be smart here. 22 points to the good as we sit.
Where's the 5 at? I'll help him out.
9's coming on tires. He's mad. Give him room here inside.
The 9 and the 4 want to kill each other.
You did a good job, man.
And I hate this. I gotta have more grip. I haven't committed to the top yet, get in. It's just like oil when I try that.
Loose wheel.
Get ready for left side.
Yeah, we're spinning it to wrecking. Yellow's out. Wave them off here.
Trouble in turn 2, a car hard into the outside wall.
Gosh.
God.
They look like you blew a right rear.
We got a comma do 4. Can't leave him loose and be slow.
Something got jammed up. Just 2 tires. Go, go. Go, 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 go. I know we're a mess right now, but keep locked in.
Finish out the stage. It is what it is.
What the f does that mean? Are we left out?
Right now we are, but some guys have to pit.
Copy. Keep them calm.
Yeah, I realize that, but he needs to know we're at the moment. He's pissed off. Thinks we stuffed him in the water.
Hey, came right up into me.
All good, buddy. Let her rip.
Deep breath. Go get some here.
Tires are why we climb back here? Copy.
35 to go. 3-5.
I don't need to count down every lap. That's why. Get fence again. Rick, where?
It's wet over here. Okay.
I have no idea how I missed the 48. Any contact there?
Negative.
And we got him.
Yeah, I'm on fire.
This place, man. I'm tired of it.
Yeah, it's getting ready to pour.
Job, dude.
Rain like hell, baby. Come on.
Oh, it's pouring over here. Pouring. Calling.
Pouring. It's dark. Can't see anything. Whatever you need.
Y'all better be shaking all y'all's asses down there for this rain dance.
Say every prayer, you know.
Come on, baby.
Booty, breathe, man. You're on TV. I can see you. No stress, though.
48, just run in there and tag him. I got it.
Sure, this dude's not happy, but he just parked it. I tried to stop.
Nice, smart here. Keep taking.
I thought I was being smart.
You were.
Just used you as the brake bud.
This dumbass move.
Yeah, I bet you're.
Tired of racing him. Just door slams you every time he gets to you.
You got him.
They're even now, aren't they? Holy.
Oh, damn. That thing should kill. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, Harvey paid the 9 back. Took him out to chase. 4 car just jumped the 9.
Ooh. The 4 got him, huh?
Yes, he did.
Can a 9 even fix that?
They're going to try like hell. We'll see.
Get a chance we can wreck him and it'll lock us in. Don't you worry.
Oh, it's going to happen.
Just so you guys know, obviously the 9 is basically said he's taking the 4 out when he gets a shot.
Who's with me?
He got us.
Yeah, that just drove right in the back of you and pushed you through there on purpose.
Idiot.
Poor John. Got in the wall hard. You all right, Kevin? Yeah, I'm fine. Just locked the tire up, went straight. Karma.
Yes, sir, it is.
4 car. Good. You. Yep, copy. Drove in there by himself.
4 just walled himself like an idiot.
They were probably telling him the 9 was behind.
So middle clear behind him. Clear up.
And we got a crash. Car spinning left and right.
Just lock it down here. Lock it down best you can. We're recognized. We're done. You okay?
Yep.
We're chilling. And we're in the middle now, boys.
I say destroyed. I mean, like, I doubt we fix it. It's unbelievable the amount of black marks. It's crazy. It's like the whole field hit the brakes and slid.
Definitely Talladega-ish.
What the we done to this thing? As far as dog and it has no aero balance. I haven't got no front tires.
That copy. Take what he's giving you.
Giving me is coming to the end of a stage. Not race with this thing. Destroying the racetrack.
We're slow as well, it was good to that corner.
That's what it gets for being a idiot. 17 doing.
Yeah, I just shoved us into the corner, turned it sideways.
Yeah, I appreciate the 14 lifting for that wreck. Excellent job.
Let me jump in, guys. That car is on fire right now.
Hop out of it. Hop out of it in a hurry. That went on people or what?
Yeah, I think so. The front end just takes off on it for no reason.
That's the way the wind's blowing there. I know it's not helping you.
Kyle Busch is in the fence.
It's killed now. It's destroyed.
Oh, this 118's been struggling.
So full 23 in the mid.
Oh, the God! Oh, my God, dude, this kid. I might have a small tire rub. I must have all those Hendrick fans out there. How's that? Running into the 24. Now they're boys the 5.
Sounds like the 8 car is not really worried about being aggressive and hitting people, just FYI.
0. Rear, church, no drive. Copy. No motor either. I need a lot of help here, guys. Like, we ain't going anywhere.
Everybody in the top 10 or so bottom are just folks in.
It don't matter. My God, burned off of it now. Shit.
tip him after running into the right side like that.
What the hell was that? He drove us right in there, right front first.
Yeah, I just took him out again. He needs to park it. It's ridiculous.
Bring the 00 in for intentionally spinning out the 52.
They're going to hold you for a penalty right here for rough driving. But it's okay for the 52 to run you in the spin.
Oh, he hits Hamlin. Danny Hamlin spins.
Caution's out.
Oh, that sucks. I just got loose in there.
Oh, it's on. It's going to get messy.
Oh, inside just gave up everything for the 19.
Hate that we wrecked the 11, but I wanted to win.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Way to push.
You're in. The 48 won the race.
The 11's going to roll by you here. Be smart. Just let him know you're pissed. Let him make an ass of himself. I know we got big picture there. Go kick their ass next week.
Oh, wow. 5's got a parachute on the right rear. That's nice.
Did that seriously spin their quarter panel out?
Yeah. Unfortunately. Probably helped him.
Oh.
Oh, my God, guys. Yes. Yes. Pit crew, this is all on you guys. Unbelievable. You guys are the best. Thank you. Thanks, class.
Larson, I am so daggone proud of you, man. So proud of this team.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Kyle, way to go, my man. Great job, man. Awesome.
You better be crying, boy. I see you. I see you. Kyle Larson, I am so proud of you.
Can't believe it.